Okay, so guys, today we are going to check out a very special place जहाँ पर हम लोग जाके देखने वाले हैं parrots, and also they are actually called macaws, but most of the people they don't know about it. But these are the breeds that are very rare in India, in all of India actually, and this is the person who actually breeds them right here in Hyderabad, in the heart of Hyderabad. People who are watching from Mumbai, Delhi, everywhere, you can just contact him right away and get yourself a pet if you want, because these are the purest breed of pets I've ever seen and have been to, but I went there before a few days, and this is the video about that. Make sure you guys leave a like, check out the video and subscribe to the channel right away. What is going on? Welcome back to yet another video. How are you doing, guys? आप ब्लॉग में आने वाले, आपका नाम क्या है बोलो ब्लॉग में? अभियन भाई का नाम है। वैसे तो मेरे को आइडिया था, मगर फिर भी उन्होंने बोल के बोला मैं। बहरहाल अभी हम लोग आज जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे और चेकआउट करेंगे। अभी राइट नाउ मैं निकला मेरे पास से, मैं हुज़ैफा भाई के पास जा रहा हूँ। हुज़ैफा भाई के पास जाके मैं पैरेट देखने जा रहा हूँ एक्चुअली। तो हुज़ैफा भाई के पास हम लोग पहुँच के जो है आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे। ओके, सो राइट नाउ हम लोग आ गए भाई के जो है अपार्टमेंट के करीब। अवेश भाई के अलावा जो है अभी हमारे को हुज़ैफा भाई ऊपर ज्वाइन करेंगे। Hi, how are you, bhai?
Hello. Welcome, Ali bhai. Welcome.
So we are here right now, and ये जो पैरेट्स के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, वो भी यहीं पे राइट नाउ भाई मंगा के रखे थे ऑलरेडी। ओके, सो हमारे जो अली भाई है, एक्चुअली अली भाई है, मगर अली भाई को हुज़ैफा भी बुलाते हैं। तो जिनको अली भाई कैसे मालूम है तो अली भाई बुलाओ, मेरे को ऐसा मालूम है वैसा बुलाया। अब अली भाई बुलाता हूँ मैं राइट नाउ, आप लोग कंफ्यूज नहीं होना वो चीज़ के बारे में। Okay, so Ali bhai, I came for the birds. Okay, first of all, I see many good birds actually right now. Even this one, this looks very good. Tell me what these birds are exactly.
Sure. So this one is green wing macaw, also known as red and green macaw. This is world's second largest macaw, very heavy size. This is a small baby, but you can see like it looks so heavy and huge, gigantic. This is a Bolivian blue gold macaw.
Okay,
this is like blue and gold Bolivian macaw, and this is again a green wing macaw.
Okay.
And this is Mulakkan cockatoo. This is a small baby, like just 3 months old.
It's still small and it looks so big.
Yeah, it looks big, but it's a very small baby. But it's known for its beautiful peach color or salmon color crust.
So this one is going to be a little more bigger than this?
Or? Yeah, it will be quite huge. Large size. And this is one of the quite expensive cockatoo birds.
So bhai, I really had a quick question about this one. कि मतलब ये लोग कहाँ से है अभी ये
origin?
Origin.
Sure. So this one is Mulakkan or salmon crust cockatoo.
That one is flying, bro.
Yes.
Looks like a maverick.
So this one is from Indonesia.
Okay.
And macaws usually are from South America, Brazil, Bolivia. So both green wing and blue gold are from there. So that's their origin.
Okay. And this one?
Yeah, they both, all three are green wing macaws.
Okay.
Green wing macaws are also very large in size. So they are world's second largest macaws. They weight like 1 kg to 1.7 kg. Their length could be roughly around 3.5 feet. And their wingspan itself is like almost 4.5 feet long. So wide. So they are very huge and gigantic
in size. Basically, they grow even more than this.
These are like just small babies.
So भाई, one thing अली भाई, कि ये जो आप इन लोगों को खाना खिलाते हैं, ये खाना मतलब क्या रहता है खाना इन लोगों का?
Okay. So they largely depend on vegetables and fruits.
So vegetables, fresh vegetables.
Yeah, it has to be fresh vegetables, colorful vegetables. Like you can see, there are colorful capsicum, green leafy vegetables, corn, etc. Corn, etc. These vegetables should be given, and vegetables can be given unlimitedly. Fruits also should be given, like apple, papaya, then any soft fruit, guava, etc. can be given. We give seeds in a small percentage, like 20% of the diet should be seed, not completely seed, because they are fatty.
Okay.
So if you maintain a very healthy diet, they would be, you know, always healthy.
Okay, so this is free flying, yeah, bhai?
Yeah, this is how we train for free flying. Usually when chicks are like 5 to 6 months, they are one-time support feed. We do perch calling, so we keep them on the perch and then do a call. So they come and get the feed, like, you know, we'll see.
It also depends on his mood, kya?
No, he'll come. Good boy, Leo.
He takes
So-
his time.
Yeah, I mean, since you guys are there, camera is there,
Yeah,
he's
yeah, yeah.
a little conscious.
Uh-huh.
But when you do a free flying, it's very important on, you know, while you are giving them the food, it's also, you know, positive reinforcement. Like whenever he flies, when you call and comes on your hand, make sure that you are appreciating and you are, you know, encouraging the bird. And this is the first step for free flying outdoor as well. Like if bird starts coming on your call on your hand, then the second step is like you take outside and do a free flying there.
So that is how you know that it will come back to you.
Yes.
Your money will not fly away from you.
Yes. And beloved pet more than the money.
Yeah.
Leo. Leo. Good job.
Okay, so I had a question. I actually had a lot of questions this time. मगर ये मेरा ये सवाल है कि ये लोगों के जो है होजस भाई, what are the prices of these birds?
Yeah, I mean, see, price largely depends on the quality of the bird, age of the bird, and type of the bird. And these are expensive exotic birds. So, let's say Bolivian blue gold Macaw ranges anywhere from 2 lakh to 2.5 lakhs. Green wing Macaw starting price is 4 lakh to anywhere like 4.75 lakhs as well. And that Mulakan cockatoo which you see, salmon crust Mulakan cockatoo, that also around 4 lakh its starting prices.
Okay. भाई एक आखिरी सवाल है अली भाई
जी
कि ये एक्सपेंसिव क्यों है इतने? और recent days में तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हो गया.
हाँ मतलब see this is still an exotic hobby, right?
Okay,
So these birds are exotic birds. They are not from India and they have been from outside. No, I mean they get breeded in India now. But for many years they were being imported, so they have been breeded in captivity. इनका breeding बहुत difficult होता है. एक साल में एक pair of Macaw largely gives 3 to 4 eggs only. उसमें भी rate of survival is like just 50%. तो आपके 2 eggs भी survive हो गए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. Second, unlike you know dogs or cats, they don't mate with multiple partners. So they will make a pair only once in their lifetime and will pair only once. So if you know a pair is being broken, like male dies or male or female separates, that other male and female will never pair or mate with any other. So then whenever a bird is aged and it is not with its partner, it will never breed. So their reproduction is not that high, and that's why, and their demand is huge, and you know since their demand is huge, their production is less, and that makes them so expensive
and rare.
And rare as well. Yeah. And obviously, like they are so beautiful in color.
Good quality pets are rare, of course.
Yes. And I mean, they are like very attractive, colored birds. So I mean, anyone would like to have. And the best quality of these birds is their ability to build a bond with humans. So they build a very strong bond with humans. They are very extremely intelligent. I mean, that is one of the factors why they are so expensive as well. Like once they are 2 years old, they can also do a single digit maths. You do 2 plus 3, they will get a 5 ka card and place next to it. So they are so intelligent. Like, let's say if I shout at my son, one of them will come and pull my pants.
Okay, so guys, that is it for the video. I hope you all liked the video. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below whatever you think about this video. That is it. Bye bye, take care. Make sure you guys subscribe to win the giveaway of the iPhone 14 Pro Max and 14 Plus and 14 as well. Bye bye, take care.